Sandeep, this is Vivek Agrawal. I'm from Delhi. I'm working with IBM right now, working in financial reporting.
Mm-hmm.
Alongside IBM, I'm also pursuing CMA finals for the September examinations.
Okay.
So what I'm saying is that I joined IBM and I'm working with CMA finals, and I'm looking at a career perspective that what should be the future. Like once I become a CMA, after that what should I do? Should I continue with IBM, or should I look for opportunities after becoming CMA, like in the campus placements or in ENY or in KPMG? Because alongside CMA, I'm also pursuing for diploma in IFRS for the December examinations.
Right.
I have taken the classes and certification from ENY itself for IFRS.
Right. Right.
So,
Right.
so as a career perspective, what do you suggest? What should I do for the future?
Right. See, I think, as I said, again, no opportunity is small, and you have an opportunity to grow in every organization you are working with. Okay. Because every organization look to reward people who are contributing more than who are drawing more from the organization, right? So just work with this simple philosophy, Vivek. It's very simple philosophy that and then of course somewhere you got to take a decision to say that I'm contributing more, but my organization is not rewarding me. Then you look at opportunities outside, right? And that's or you say that I can do more at some other place because that's what my skill set is, or that's what my kind of current thinking now, or that's where I feel more confident that I'll be able to contribute more, let's say at a big four versus let's say IBM. And then I need to now start looking out and explore the opportunities. So as you acquire a professional degree, okay, of course that offers you a platform. That becomes a platform for you to explore opportunities outside. But just not try and explore the opportunity outside just for the heck of exploring the opportunities. You got to first, because you spend time at IBM, right? What relationships I have been able to build here, right? What is it I'm contributing to this organization? What is the path you see for yourself in that organization, right? Do I see a path for my success? Am I able to contribute this? Is my organization rewarding me for my contribution? And don't look for a career as next 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. We've got a working life of 35 to 40 years. Right? We have 35 to 40 years of working life. So you got to make decisions based on the overall professional journey, right? Is what we're going to have. So you got to take, let's say, at the end of the 5 year of my professional experience, where I should be. Am I a manager? Am I able to make a difference at the workplace where I am, right? And then at the end of the 10 year, where do I stand? At the end of the 15 year, at the end of the 20 years, you got to take 5 year milestones. You may want to take a 2 year milestones also, depending upon your own growth ambitions and things like that. But you got to look at things holistically. Don't just kind of look at things that now I need to now jump, right? This is not the place for me. You got to make that assessment, and of course, if you believe that you can where is it you can contribute more, right? As opposed to drawing more from that organization, and that is where you should be. That's a simple philosophy, and you got to work with that mindset that I got to contribute more because this organization is my business, right? This is your business. Just think of this as my business. This is my business, and I need to keep on growing this business. If you will keep on growing that business, you will do well in corporate life as well, right? That's as simple as that.